In this video, I'll show you how to create viral, scary animated story videos that have been trending on TikTok and YouTube lately. I'll walk you through 4 simple steps without hiding anything or trying to sell you anything. This method works for both PC and mobile users. For example, take a look at the YouTube channel 𝗢𝗲𝗰𝗀𝗀. They're doing exactly what I'm about to show you, and they've already gained over 14,000 subscribers with only 48 videos. If you check their most popular videos, you'll see they're consistently getting hundreds of thousands of views on YouTube alone. The problem is, 99.5% of you watching this video today have no idea how to create these types of viral videos. But don't worry, it's not as hard as it seems. If you watch this video until the end and don't skip, you'll learn exactly how to make them. Now, if you visit 𝗢𝗂𝗿 and search for 𝗢𝗲𝗰𝗀𝗀, you'll find more statistics about their channel. You'll see these creators are making anywhere from $221 to $3,500 every month just by posting these simple, viral, scary videos on YouTube. In just the last 30 days, they've racked up over 800,000 views on their channel, which is truly incredible. And the best part, you'll be able to make these videos today after watching this tutorial using 100% free AI tools. It's completely beginner friendly with no previous experience required, as I'll guide you every step of the way. You won't need to pay for anything. And if you stick around until the end, I'll even share my secret ChatGPT prompt template for fully launching this channel and making a lot of money creating these videos step by step. If you find value in this video today, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. Here's a short preview if you haven't seen this niche before.
Did you know in the United States there's a bridge where a man dressed as a bunny once hunted people with an axe? They call him the Bunny.
Now, let's jump straight into it. Alright, for faceless channels like this, your channel name and logo aren't the most important elements, but they are necessary. If you don't have a channel name and logo yet, or if you're unsure what to use, check the description below. I've already prepared a ChatGPT template to help you with this. Step 1. Creating your channel name and logo. First, open the Google Doc file I've provided for you. This document contains all the prompts used in this video. Now, go to the first section, copy this block of text, and head over to ChatGPT. Once you're on ChatGPT, click New Chat. You'll see a blank page. In the text box, paste the prompt you just copied from the Google Doc so ChatGPT can generate a list of channel name ideas for you. Then click the Generate button. Once ChatGPT has finished generating the ideas, scroll down and choose the channel name you like best. Next, you'll generate a logo for your new channel. To do that, go back to the Google Doc template, scroll down to the next section and copy that block of text. Once you've copied it, head back to ChatGPT and paste the text. Before you click Generate, go to this section of the text and replace the placeholder with your chosen channel name. After that, click Generate so ChatGPT can give you the exact prompt you'll use to create your YouTube channel logo. Now that you have your channel name and logo prompt, go to YouTube and create your new channel if you don't already have one. Here's a pro tip. If you have an existing YouTube channel that you created in the past but aren't using much, consider using that one. YouTube often promotes videos on older channels faster than on brand new ones. But if you don't have one, don't worry. Simply create a new channel and proceed. Now that you have the prompt for your channel logo, head over to Google AI Studio. This is a free tool you can use to generate stunning logos for your brand. Once you're on the website, if you don't have an account, it will ask you to sign up. Simply use your Gmail to do so. As I mentioned, it's 100% free. Now, click on the chat menu option, then click the image option here. Next, select Nano Banana as your image generation model. Once that's done, in the text box, paste the image generation prompt ChatGPT gave you for your logo. Then, click the Run button and Google will help you generate your new channel logo. It will take a few minutes, so just wait for it. Once it finishes, you can review the logo. If you like it, click the Download button to save it to your device. If you don't like the result, you can ask Google AI Studio to give you a different one by simply typing, "Give me a different one," and clicking the Run button again. Pro tip, you can repeat this multiple times to find the exact result you like. Once you're happy with your logo, we can move on. Step 2. Generate your video ideas and complete video blueprint. Before we continue, if you're enjoying this video so far, all I ask is that you take a moment to hit the subscribe button. Now that we've generated our channel name and logo, we need to generate content video ideas for our viral scary video channel. As always, I don't want you to stress yourself thinking about what to create, so I've already provided the prompt you'll use to achieve that. So head back to our Google Doc, scroll down to this section, then copy the text from here down to the specified point. Now go to ChatGPT, paste the text and click the Generate button. ChatGPT will then craft video idea titles for your first 10 videos. Once it's finished generating these video ideas, scroll down and review them. Once you're happy with the results, we need to start generating the complete blueprint for your first video. This includes your video script for the voiceover, your YouTube title, tags, description, hashtags, text-to-image prompts, and more. To do that, simply head back to the Google Doc template file. Once you're there, scroll to the designated section of the text. Then, copy this block of text down to the specified point. Once you've done that, head back to ChatGPT, paste the text you just copied, and then edit and replace the placeholder title with the title of your first video that ChatGPT generated for you earlier from your list of 10 video ideas. Then click the Generate button to let ChatGPT create your complete video blueprint. Once it finishes generating, you'll have a complete video blueprint that you'll use to create your viral, scary animated story video. Now we're done with step 2, so let's move on. I hope you're enjoying the video so far. Okay, step 3, generate your voiceovers and image scenes. Alright, now that you have your blueprint, we just need to start generating the voiceover for our video and the image scenes that we'll use to create our complete final video. Don't worry, I'll show you how to do this for free. To begin, scroll down in your blueprint and find your voiceover narrations. Now, copy the first line. Then, open a blank Google Doc page and paste the voiceover narration text you just copied from ChatGPT. Once you do that, repeat the same step until you have all your voiceover narrations inside the blank Google Doc page you created. Now it's time to generate the voiceover for your script. To do that, simply head back to Google AI Studio, then click on Chat. Once you're on this page, simply select Audio this time and then select Gemini 2.5 Pro Preview TTS. You'll then be taken to a new page. On this page, look at your right-hand side menu and under Mode, simply select Single Speaker Audio. Now you can leave the mode settings as they are, or you can slightly adjust the temperature bar. This will subtly alter the tone of the voice. Here's a pro tip. I recommend you first leave the temperature settings as default. Generate your audio and then listen to it. Download that version first. Then you can adjust the temperature settings to alter the voice tone, generate a new audio, and compare which of the two you prefer for your video. Let's continue. Under Voice, click it and simply scroll down. You can click the play button here to listen to the voices and find the one you'd like to use. Once you settle on a voice you like, come here under Style Instructions. We need to add a tone setting that we want Google AI Studio to use when generating the voiceover. So, head back to ChatGPT and scroll down. In your complete blueprint, you'll find the section Voiceover Settings. Now, copy the text there. Then, go back to Google AI Studio. Under Style Instructions, paste the voiceover settings you just copied. Then, down here under Text, simply head back to your Google Doc that holds your voiceover narration text. Copy the entire text and then head over to Google AI Studio and paste it here. Once that's done, click the Run button to generate your voiceover. This will take a few minutes depending on the length of your script, so just wait for it. Once the voiceover has been generated, you can simply listen to it by clicking the play button. Once you're happy, click the download button to save it to your device. Remember, you can rerun this multiple times to find the voiceover sound you like, or you can adjust your temperature settings and click run to change the tone. You can also change the voice you picked from this section here. Now, once your voiceover has been generated, we can move to the next phase, generating our image scenes for our video. To do that, simply head over to the website called 𝗢𝗍𝗱𝗥. It's made by Google, so it's 100% free to use. If it asks you to sign up, simply do so using your Gmail. Now, here comes the fun part, generating our scenes. To do that, simply go back to ChatGPT, then scroll down and find Visual Prompt. Once you see that, you'll notice that ChatGPT has generated visuals for each scene of your voiceover narration. So, all you have to do is copy the prompt for the first scene and then head over to 𝗢𝗍𝗱𝗥, paste it into the text box, then go back to ChatGPT and find Global Image Style Prompt. This particular prompt is very important because you'll mix it with every scene you generate to maintain a consistent style. Now, copy it and go back to 𝗢𝗍𝗱𝗥. Then, paste it here before the initial scene prompt you pasted earlier. Once you've done that, click the Create button so 𝗢𝗍𝗱𝗥 will generate your images for you. This will take a few minutes, so please wait. Once the images have been generated, find the one you like and click the download button to save it. Now repeat this same step for all the scene prompts ChatGPT gave you. Once that's all done, we can move on to the final step. Step 4. Editing your viral scary video. Don't worry, even if you've never edited before, I'll show you how to do it. It's not difficult. Now, watch me. First, you'll need video editing software. There are many options out there, and all of them can accomplish this task. But we'll be using CapCut PC for this process. Please note that this also works for mobile users. So, download the CapCut PC software if you don't have it. You can download and install it from their website. Once you have it, simply open it. You'll land on a page where you'll click Create New Project. Now, once the new project interface opens, simply click the Add New Media button and import all your assets, which are your voiceovers and image scenes you generated earlier. Now, once they are imported, simply click the plus button beside the voiceover audio or simply drag it onto your timeline. Next, you need to also drag your image scenes to your timeline. To do that, simply add the first image scene. Now, listen to your audio or reference back to your Google Doc file containing your voiceover narration to see where each scene's voiceover text ended. Now, extend the image by dragging it to the length of the specific voiceover scene. Then, repeat this same process for all the remaining scene images. Once you've done that, if your display monitor isn't in the right dimension for your image, simply click this button to change it. Once that's done, you need to add keyframes to your video. Keyframes are simple elements that will take your image from looking completely static to being animated. To add keyframes, simply go to your first image scene, take your playhead to the start and click the image. Then go to this section here where you see Transform. Click on the diamond-shaped button. This allows you to add a keyframe to the start position of your video. Now, once you've done that, take your playhead to the end of the first image scene. Then go to this section again and click the Transform Diamond button to add another keyframe. For this keyframe, increase the scale to 140. Now, let's preview it. Good. Now you can see the difference. Once you've done that, repeat the same step for all your image scenes to add keyframe motion to them. Once you've added keyframes to all your images, the next step is to add captions. So, move your mouse to the caption option here and click on it. Now, on this page, just click Create, Generate. It takes a few minutes and then CapCut will generate your captions for you. To make your captions stylish, click on any of the captions. Then go to this section here and click Templates. Now, On this page, scroll down and find the caption template you like, then select it. CapCut will then replace the style with the new one you selected. After that, you need to add transitions to your image scenes. To do that, simply click on Transitions here. Then click the Camera option. You will find a transition called Pull In. Select it and drag it to the cut between two scenes. Once you've done that, repeat this process for all your image scenes to add a transition across them. Next, you can add background music. To do that, you need to go to the Audio tab. Then find a sound effect you like that fits your video voiceover. Now, reduce the volume of the background music so it doesn't overpower the main voiceover audio. Once you're done with that, you can then click this button here to preview your work. Now, once you're happy with your video, simply click the Export button to export the video you just created. Make sure to give it a good name. Preferably, use the title of the video when exporting it, and then click Export. And there you have it. You can now upload this video to your new YouTube channel, TikTok or Instagram Reels, and start getting thousands of views and making a lot of money online. So that's how you can easily create high-quality, viral, scary animated story AI videos using ChatGPT, Google AI Studio, Google Image FX, and CapCut. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. If you have any questions or have a video topic you'd like me to cover, write it down in the comment section below, and I'll take my time to go through them. See you in the next one.